For 2 days, medyo nahihirapan sa mga tanong ko kasi sabi mo, hindi ka nakakaintindi masyado ng Tagalog. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga episodes na yan during the last hearing and this morning? Yes or no? Alala mo?
Ano yun, sir?
Yung mga hindi mo maintindihan, yung mga tanong ko na tinatagalog ko, di ba naalala mo, nasabi mo, hindi ko maintindihan. That's why we had to go through the trouble of trying to interpret, translate into Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Alala po ba yung mga pangyayari yan sa loob ng courtroom? Di po ba?
Yes,
or no?
naalala ko yun,
Yes,
yung mga
okay.
Tagalog na lalom, na
Lalom.
deeper,
Yeah,
dili kay
deeper.
ko ka sabot, Your
Yes,
Honor.
hindi ko maintindihan yung sabot now. But when it was the defense asking you, rapido,
What's the question, Your
wait,
Honor?
not yet. Hold your horses.
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor.
Relax. Hindi pa tapos. I'm just laying the premise. Relax. Mabilis.
There's no question, Your Honor.
Wait. Mabilis. Tagalog. All of a sudden, nasasagot mo, walang translation, nasasagot mo ng diretso.
Your Honor,
Explain.
nangutana man ko, nag-ask ko saya, Your Honor, kay dili ko, ang question niya, na mga question niya, Your Honor, nga nagpa-repeat ko, kay dili kayo ko kasabot, dili kayo ko ka-understand, Your Honor.
Alright.
Nagmutana ko kay attorney, nagpa-repeat ko po ng question sa kay attorney kung ano po yon, kay hindi ko talaga na maintindihan or
Yes,
makuha ang iyang pangutana, Your
Your Honor, I will
Honor.
not belabor the point. The records are crystal clear.
Move
I
to
will
strike.
move on. Oh, what? I move on to the next question.
Move to strike, Your Honor. It's counsel is testifying.
I mean, Your Honor, that's a
motion-
manifestation, and what
Motion
we-
denied. Motion denied, counsel. I mean,
yeah. You should do your own
Let it stay at the
manifestation, you may. Okay, now, Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, si Colonel Lachica naman yung may access to security information, kaya siya yung may alam sa confidential activities. Tsaka, naalala mo sinabi mo yan kanina, di po ba?
Oo.
Now,
Opo.
and then, kinonfront kayo ng counsel for the defense, wala naman daw sa joint circular na yung trabaho ng special disbursing officer dapat alam yung mga confidential activities. Yun yung sagot nyo, di po ba?
Nalibog. I'm
Confused
confused.
ka. Ayan, yun na yun, ma'am. Naku-confuse po kayo kung ako yung nagtatanong.
Usabon, repeat,
I'm
Your
just
Honor.
repeating this series of questions that were propounded to you by the defense.